ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again coming at you with another unboxing. Today's double unboxing is, again, from Rich over at Saltzman's. Thanks again, Rich, over at Saltzman's, for lending timepieces to the channel, let me experience a bunch of different pieces that I've never been able to see. Not sponsored video, they just lending in, guys. I get no compensation. Again, like I said, it's just me being able to show you guys a bunch of different pieces for the channel that I've never been able to see myself. So this is my first time seeing a lot of different pieces, as well as your first time. Quick wristwatch check, just lounging around the house. So wearing the G-Shock. But again, like I said, Rich has been really kind enough to send in a whole bunch of different pieces. Now, the Oris Aquis is one that I've seen before, held before. I've owned the Aquis Great Barrier Reef. Now, this is a different version of Oris Aquis, as you'll see. They are an Oris authorized dealer, guys. So if you want this or any other Oris, of course, give Rich a shout out and tell them that I sent you. They may hook you up. Then the Raymond wheel is a brand that I've never really been familiar with until now. The quality, of course, I kind of cheated in already, kind of took a look at them just to see how they look, what I'm looking at here, guys, because you guys already know the whole unboxing out of the box and all that. You guys don't care about all that, so I'll just show you the actual boxes they come in. Of course, you know, do the whole spiel on that. But again, the Raymond wheel is a brand that I'm not really familiar with and one that I've never really tried on until now. And I can say it does have pretty good quality, guys, and I'm pretty surprised by it. I would say it's comparable to Oris quality. I may get a little bit of hate there in the comments. But anyways, guys, I will flip to the desktop, show you guys the watches and boxes in question, and we'll see you. And the first watch is the Raymond wheel. Here is the box. Nothing too crazy, guys. Pretty decent, clean impression, as you'd expect. This is kind of an entry-level luxury watch, kind of like the Oris is. Like I said, I would say definitely comparable quality. Retail on this, as you'll see once I pull it out, is $1,800. And I'm sure you'll be able to get it at a discount, guys. Overall, nice presentation on the box here. Yeah, nothing too crazy, nothing to write home about here, guys. You got the cloth in here, Raymond wheel Geneve, and on the watch itself, of course, the box within a box has one of those almost kind of like Breitling kind of travel pouches. Pretty cool. Now here is the watch in question. Pretty cool diver. I'll have to do a little bit more research on this, the size, dimensions, the movement it uses, and everything like that. But overall, first impressions, definitely really digging that tropic style strap on the diver. Definitely pretty cool. The bezel action on this is pretty good. I was mentioning it with for a little bit earlier. The date window is definitely a little unique. How they have that there. Of course, you see the Raymond wheel Geneve. These are Swiss made. Overall, finishing is really good, guys. Definitely digging that piece. Definitely looking forward to wearing that a little bit more. Now on to the Oris, guys. Let me move this box over. Excuse me. Move this box over out the way. And onto the Oris. You guys have seen plenty of Oris boxes. Nothing too crazy here. You got the Oris, the gray. Standard gray packaging. If you remember correctly, I had the Great Barrier Reef. Here's the red Oris tag. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Now the Aquis that he sent in. Now I know they have the new Aquis with the in-house movement. This is a $2,200 retail watch. I do believe this is the Solita movement. And I believe you should be able to get a discount on these two, guys. This is kind of like sunburst almost, kind of dark blue dial, which I really dig. And on my 7.5 inch wrist, this 43.5 millimeter fits pretty good. Once you'll see on the review, guys. Loom on this is pretty good. Again, you can't really beat the standard Oris for entry level luxury. And again, I'm really digging this Raymond wheel. I'll show them here side by side, guys. Definitely killer combo for anybody looking to get into entry-level Swiss luxury, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks again, Rich from Saltzman's, for sending these out, guys. I'll leave a link down below to his website where you can get any of these Raymond wheel watches that you're interested in, or any Oris that you're interested in. And I'm pretty sure if they don't have it, they can probably order it for you guys, because Oris, unlike a lot of other brands, is one of those brands that is available. You can order it, and they will come probably in a couple weeks. Don't quote me on that. And again, tell them I sent you, so you may be able to get a little bit of a discount. Again, not sponsored or anything like that. Just he was been kind enough to work with the channel, send his killer pieces for me to show you guys. Definitely digging that Oris. It's definitely going to get a little bit of wear time while I have it, guys. Anyways, guys, it's been Chris with another double unboxing. Thanks, Rich Saltzmans. I will see you guys in the next time.